Hey beautiful beings, my name is Dara and today I'm going to share with you another intentional breathing practice. This one is called fire breath or breath of fire. It's a very vigorous one and it really brings a lot of energy and heat, hence the name, to your body. So with this one, it's quite important that you feel really safe. Maybe sitting down is a good way to do this. It's a practice that where we're breathing through the nose and we have a lot of energy coming from the solar plexus. So from the diaphragm, it has to work a lot. And this organ, the diaphragm, is really important in your body and for your breathing. Most people have a very lazy diaphragm, and because it's lazy, their breath and their lungs actually never really expand and they never take as much air in as their body needs, which then causes illnesses, causes that there's not enough garbage transported out of your body. Because you have to know this about breath. Breath is not so much about actually taking oxygen in, but about elimination of all the toxins that we breathe in and have inside our body. So the lungs are really like a filter system, and when we not have a very strong lung, the whole body has all these toxins and doesn't know what to do with it. So breath of fire is like a cleansing mechanism that cleans out everything. We share this practice on our retreats and workshops, but also for our self-pleasure experiment, orgasmic yoga. So if you are one of those who come from there, this is an awesome practice. I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to show you how much you need your diaphragm. So from the side, it would look like this. We breathe through our nose vigorously and really intentionally. You want to push the air out of the nose. Yeah, so the air folds in naturally and pushes itself out, and the diaphragm is doing the work. There are really two ways to do it. One is you inhale and then until there's nothing left, and inhale, or you kind of just keep inhaling little ones while after you exhale, and keep doing this for quite a long time, maybe a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you will feel how the heat in your body is rising and you have so much more energy. So it's a very lovely practice to bring to your team, bring to your work environment, bring to a day when you have almost no energy and you feel like, ugh. Then this will revitalize your body, will give you a little bit juice up the bum. And did I just say that? Oh God, no, will just make you happy and a little bit more energized. So keep breathing like this, maybe set a timer, and then when you're ready, just enjoy. Okay, let's do this together. I'm going to put on the timer for 1 minute, and we're just going to breathe through the nose, working the diaphragm really strongly, in and out, fast. Make sure you close your eyes, sit comfortably and safely. Okay, inhale, and off we go. And exhale deeply. Feel how that has energized your whole body. You can probably feel the heat in your head. I can certainly do right now. Maybe you feel a bit of a stitch even. Just let that all pass. Just breathe into that. Just really worked your solar plexus, the God muscle, as they say. A muscle that's so important for our whole system. Really feel into what this feels like. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Enjoying these feelings that this breath practice does. Remember that you can bring this to your day. You can bring this or do this before or after meditation, really to center yourself. You can do it when you do your self-pleasure or when you're making love with your partner. It's a really beautiful practice to bring lots of energy to your day and to your body. If you enjoyed this breath practice, click on some other videos that we've created around intentional breathing. Enjoy.